Thanks for stopping by the channel for another Screwy Tuesday. It's been a while since I got a video out, but this is just a real short one. Howie, no, we're not going to play with the ball right now. Howie hears me talking and he thinks I'm talking to him. So just a short video. The other day my wife called me and said the key to her car broke. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I put some pictures up on it and called it a Mercedes key repair. Well, it was a Honda key repair. And I'll show you that. Turned out well, and it was fun. That's why I got all this equipment, I guess, so you can make repairs. Some quick update around here. As you know, my prostate procedures will happen early September, so I decided to take the month of August off work. Last time I took a week vacation was about 7 years ago. So I'm off work for the month of August. Unfortunately, Tim, if you saw one of my last videos, we showed Tim at the park going down the slide. He was the premium of health right there, and it was about 5 days later, things turned to the worst and ended up back in the hospital with double pneumonia. He was in for about 8 days. We brought him home for one night and went back the next day, and he's been back in since. Hoping for another 3 or 4 days and be able to bring him back home, see if we can get him healthy again. So a little stressful around here for my wife and I running back and forth, but I'm getting a little bit of shop time in and also enjoying what I can on my vacation. So I hope you enjoy the video. Now that I'm off, I'm going to try to pump out some more. I'm trying to learn Director 15 or 16. I bought it about a year and a half ago or 2 years ago and turned it on and shut it off. But I'm switching computers, so time to learn. So I'll do my best with the production on this video. Again, thanks for stopping by the channel. As always, support the channel. Hit the subscribe button and that little bell button, as everybody says, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care. Using the Titan centering scope to find a very small hole, and this is when it's nice to have a quick removing steering wheel so you can get your head into where the scope is. Here's a little video that shows you the repaired key in the original one. Now I don't know if you can see on the right side, there's a very, very small Phillips screw, and that Phillips screw finally worked its way through the plastic on the fob. So my repair worked out well on this.